Came back from RePC, which is a PC recycling center, and I spent in total about $40 on iPod accessories and, well, something special you'll see. So I just kind of wanted to film this and show what I picked up while I was there for $40, because I think I did pretty good. So I didn't pick this one up with this. I did get this iPod at RePC for, I'd like to say, $35. It was a 30 Gen 5.5 in surprisingly decent shape. It's personally become my go-to iPod for listening to music and such. Can my camera? Okay. So now the first thing I got that's pretty cool is this little dongle thing here, the iTrip. So before Bluetooth was commonplace in car speakers and whatnot, you had this little guy which basically would do the same thing over radio frequencies instead of Bluetooth. So you plug it in, you play your music, and it comes up on the radio. Let's do that here. Let's get some music here. And got my iPod Nano. That was also not part of this. This is just an iPod Nano I have lying around handy. Let me get some speakers. If I can find my speaker. Come on. Where did I put my speaker? Alright, I couldn't find my speaker, but that actually perfectly leads me into the next thing I was going to show off. Let's get this out of the way. And this is the iHome portable 30-pin speaker thing. You can see it's made of a sort of cloth fabric material on the outside. Feels like one of those hard shell cases for like a Nintendo DS or something that you'd get in the 2000s. It zips up here, and we can see, pull it open. You got your stereo speakers, you've got your iPod charging dock, on-off switch, volume control, and under these little things, you've got AAA's slots. AAA slots? No, AAA slots. They also come with this nice little fabric pulling tab for pulling things out, I guess. If it gets too corroded that you can't fit a finger in there, then that's pretty useful. That's happened many a time to me. On the back, you can see it's got an audio jack there, as well as the power adapter. So I think this will be perfect for showing off the iTrip as well as showing off the speaker. Now, usually I just listen to music with my Cell Notes Zero. You can see them here. They're pretty nice headphones. But it is nice if you're like in a car or something, or you have a radio that doesn't support Bluetooth. It's pretty nice to be able to listen to it wirelessly. So let me go hook this up. So this is a radio. Swipe to the right to go back. So on the iPod, we can see, got music. Let's play it. And you can see on the bottom, it's now lit up. So 87.9, and we are on 87.5, so 87.9. Listen to that. And this is all wireless. See, no wires connected to the iPod at all. I'm pretty sure her music is copyright free. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Wow, I never realized Okay, well, I never really used this thing, so I never really noticed the bass on this thing is just like choppy. It sounds like an Xbox Live microphone. So yeah, the auxiliary port works. Let's actually plug in my iPod. We can see. Starts charging. Yep. And we can play. Yeah, that sounds much better. I think it might have been the iTrip that was tripping. A pretty cool portable little guy, lad, whatever you want to call it. Lad? Yeah, it's a lad now. It's just a little guy. I haven't tried the battery terminal. It looks clean inside, so I'm fairly confident it'll work. Because usually with these type of things, they always get nasty and corroded and whatever, so surprised that that was good. And kind of thankful, actually, because I was expecting to have to clean out all of that junk. Oh, and look at it. It's still really great condition. Like, it has the original rubber flap with the writing on it. And you can see, like, the DC in and the line in thing, and it just swivels. I don't know. This is a really cool thing. It's got a strap. It's light-ish. It's pretty hefty, actually. But it's a pretty decent dock for $10. As well as this iTrip is just really cool to have. I mean, you never know when you're in a car, you're in like a friend's car and they don't have Bluetooth, they might have like a, 2008 Toyota Corolla or something. So the next thing I have here really was honestly the highlight of this whole lot thing, haul, whatever you want to call it. So when I saw this thing, it really jumped out to me, especially because this thing was $20. Okay, I'm just really excited about this thing. I haven't taken it out of the bag yet. So it's an iPod Nano 1st Gen. It's just a 2 gig. It comes with a cover and a charging cable. And you can see this just cost me $20. And it's been on the shelves, or it's been at least refurbished since on August the 2nd. So it's been here quite some time, especially considering that this was a $20 iPod, about this thing in particular. So let's open it up and see what we get. So, first things first, this cable seems to be an original iPod cable. Next up, we have this sort of case thing, and wow, I am just noticing. This comes with a screen protector, I think. Or is that just adhesive to adhere to the iPod? I don't know. So yeah, it's got this sort of plastic silicone case. It's a little yellowed, but it's never been used. Yeah, you can see there's your hold switch. And, ooh. Okay, well, we'll look at that thing later. So let's open it up and see what the heck's inside. With a screen protector, actually. Let's pop that out. It's never been used. I think it's just a vinyl protector type of thing. Yes, it is a vinyl protector. It's not glass, you can see. That's really cool, actually. Now let's get to the actual iPod. You can see $19.95 plus tax. Let's see. Yeah, wiped August 2nd, 2024. Okay. So it's a black iPod Nano. It's in actually pretty decent shape. I think someone did use a case on it because I can see there's a little bit of a line there that looks like a case was there. I actually know this from this case right here, which you can see. You can kind of see. Yeah, there's a few lines where it's especially scratched. But it seems to be the opposite, which I don't quite understand. And you can see, yeah, this case has the same thing where it has the little rubber belt clip type of thing, which is surprising to me that cases did that, because the things that I'd expect to have it, like a belt clip, is like, you can see I have a Leatherman here. And it has this little belt clip, so it just surprises me that iPod cases were doing this at the time too. So let's see if it has any charge. I doubt it. Okay, let me get this cable plugged in, and we'll see if it's actually I just realized it will be wiped. I was gonna say, let's see if it has any music on it, but it does say on the label that it was wiped and inspected by someone, so let's see. Oh, there's an Apple logo. There it goes. Backlight works. Yes. Oh, sweet. Yep. Clicker works. Yay. Okay. About new iPod. Yeah, there's your 2 gigs. Format in Windows. No songs, no photos, obviously. We just saw the setup screen there. Okay, let's get this actually going so you can see it. About... Come on, focus up, please. Please. I don't know what's up with my camera, but... Yeah, there it is. Come on. There it goes. No? Come on. There it goes. I think I have to lower the brightness. Hang on. Where's this? Brightness. Should be somewhere here. Backlight. No, that's timer settings. Oh well. See what date it thinks it is. US Pacific. Date and time. Yeah, it's never been set. It thinks it's January 2000. So let's go ahead and get the stickers off so we can actually take a better look at this thing. I think I'll actually put it in a case and everything because I like this thing. And wow, the battery just insta-died. Okay, that's interesting. The battery didn't really hold a charge. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so I've just cleaned it off. Peel this one off first. Okay, and then put it on. Okay. Alrighty, and then this comes up. And then press down, and okay. Yeah, it could be better, but I mean, considering it's just a vinyl screen protector, I'm not too worried about the looks of it. Let's see. Yes! Okay, the battery holds a charge. That's good. You can see, yeah, I've unplugged it after cleaning it out. You can see the back. It's pretty darn scuffed up. And it's also got that indentation from this case, which I assume this isn't the original case that the owner used, considering it was brand new when I got it. But same model, probably. Let's see. Yep, fits on like a glove. Okay, there it is. Pretty nice little guy. I'll probably use this for, I don't know, maybe podcasts or something. I don't really know. It's 2 gigs only, so and I'll figure out what I'll do with it. Maybe I'll rockbox it. I think this iPod supports rockbox. I don't know why I'm like losing my voice there for a second. But yeah, this is a pretty cool little guy. Neat little lad. The battery might be cooked, but that's it. Other than that, this is a really nice find. Yep, that's all. Thank you all for being here with me. Yeah, goodbye.